in the Monday Night Football watch along. Yeah, game the far, so we have to do watch along. They don't know, so we still have to cover the game. Anyways, big up on us. And we're off. This should definitely be a really, really exciting matchup. That Mobay can do the job. That seems to be the case. For going for McCullough, Anglin, and RV and midfield at the same time, obviously, not to Orengan couldn't get in. Game, huh? Quite a decent crowd, well, a huge crowd support turnout for this game, man. That me like with them big games, yeah. Chanda Eda. What a delivery from Ferreira. Oh, that was really good. And a cross with a deflection. What a moment. And Mount Pleasant go 1-0 up in Montego Bay. And Shaquan Davis was in good position. Neil Thomas trying to find the back of the net. Goalkeeper and defenders. And third yellow card. At the stroke of half time, Mount Pleasant down to 10 men, leading 1-0. What's going to happen here? Just clear out Phillips. Shaquan Davis looks shocked. Weatherly. Quickly. Fletcher again. Cross to the right foot. And Shaquan Davis was really good in that moment. Game not really have its sting in it still, but both teams still have push for it. All the Mount Pleasant players, they up on their back. Tired. Drop to their knee. What a game.